It's Saturday morning, it's Saturday morning, it's Saturday morning in Catland. Hey, April, you're still fat. You're still fat, April. Da-doo-doo-doo. Look at the depressed look on these chickens' faces. Better get up there and eat. Hi. Da-doo-doo-doo. Well, you want some food right here? Here's some food. Here, come here. Here, have some food. Here. We're going to get this done today. At least this little area will be safe. And we'll move on. Come on, April, come eat. La-da-da-da. Oh, hey, little chickens. Why you look so depressed? That's called a fence. Ha, ha, ha. Get out of here. You hungry, Bobo? Hungry, Mr. Hissy? Hi, Sissy. Hey, Bobo. Oh, la 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 la. Hey, Mr. Hissy. Hey, Mr. Hissy. Hey, Mrs. Sissy. Mississippi. No, Mississippi. Hi, brother. Hi, brother. Hey, brother. Hi, Dooter. Hey, Doody. Doodly doody doody doo doody doo doody doo doo. All right. Okay, April, where's your Brin? All right, let's move on.